Hi guys, I'm Greg with 520 Speedworks. We are here to bring out a new product to everybody that is phenomenal. It's one of the things I wish I'd had it 7 years ago when I started building my car. But if you've been around these cars long enough with the spinners in the center, with the center cap that goes in, we all know that we've always tried to find a way of holding the center cap tight. We've tried sealants. There is the snap ring, which I tried, which I just took off with the little thing. There's all kinds of ways that people have tried to keep these centers tight so that when you go to unloosen them, the little center doesn't twist. I've had it happen to me. It twists. You spend hours and hours and hours fighting, trying to hold it in place while you get the spinner off. Well, a few months ago, before Dave passed away, I got with Dave Albernali, and he had produced these lock rings. He was selling them just to people, onesie, twosies here and there. I got permission from him to go full-blown production with them. Unfortunately, he passed away before we could get that out here, but we are bringing these to everybody here, and let me show you how they work. So, once you are able to get your center caps off, undo your spinner, remove your cap, place the tire face down, and then I'll show you this, but let me bring you in closer. Okay guys, here's the ring. So there are set screws that go around right here. You can see they're pointed set screws, the ones that go and push along the sides. There's 3 of them symmetrically out there, and then there's these 3 that push face down. They're flat on the bottom, so you guys can already see how this works. Get the pointed ones so that they're just a little proud. And you can, if you have already sealed it in, you can leave it sealed. You don't have to take it out. This is just another way of doing it. Nice thing about this is if you ever take your tires or you ever have a tire problem and you need to go to the tire store, these can easily come out if you just carry the Allen key with you. That way they can take the center caps out, you can balance it. No more of taking the tires, taking them home, gluing all this, having them balanced, then gluing all this back in. So, okay guys, when you're gonna do this, make sure that you just have a little, like just barely proud on all 3. Make sure the top ones are flush along the bottom, and then you can just drop it straight in, just like that. And then just evenly work, hold it down, and just evenly work the side ones in. Okay, now that we have those in, they're tight. You don't have to crank them in there. You can use some Loctite. I would only use blue. I wouldn't use red because you're gonna want to take them out at some point in time. And all you really need to do is just make sure the blue or the Loctite holds the set screws in there. Now, once you got it tight, you just take the 3 and just equally push. They don't have to be super tight. And that's it. Once again, you can put Loctite on these too so they don't back out. So once you're done with that, the tire over. That is way tighter than I would have ever put that on before, but I am confident that it will now come off. Hey guys, there you go. Center locks, stupid easy. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Also check out our website for some other fabulous products that we got out there. Don't forget Lexan windshields, those kind of things. But have a good one. Enjoy your ride. Be safe.